everybody, welcome to Girl Guitar. My name is Mandy Rowden and I'm going to help you out today with one of the most fundamental beginner problems of playing guitar, and that's what to do when you drop your pick inside. If you haven't done this yet, you will, because everyone does. It's a rite of passage. And if you have done it, you know how frustrating it can be to get out. When you drop the pick in, we spend a lot of time turning it over and shaking it, but actually if you can just get the pick right here under the strings where you can see it, take anything really, but the eraser point of a pencil is helpful. I can stick the pencil in there, hold the thing still. I'm pinning it to the bottom of the guitar now, and then flip it over, bam, pick is out. Success. That'll save you a lot of years off the end of your life, and you're welcome. My name is Mandy Rowden with Girl Guitar. Have fun.